Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to add sticky cart button on Shopify. Let's get started. So right now, let's first view our store and what it will look like. So as of right now, I have my store right here and I have this product. So if I click on the product, I have this add to cart button, but it is actually not sticky and it is not sticking any part of my actual store. So let's head back and add a sticky cart. So to do that, let's scroll down right here and click on Add Apps. Now from in here, just scroll down and click on the Shopify App Store. And then this will open a new window right here, wherein you can just search in here for Sticky Cart. So let's try to search in here for Sticky Cart. Once you have done that, let's search right there. And then from in there, you should be able to see a lot of sticky cards that they have right here. So you can use this slide card drawer by AMP. So let's head over and just use this one. And then from in there, you should be able to see the install button. So click on this install right here. And then this will open this new tab wherein you should be able to install a specific application to your store. So in here, let's just head and click on the install button. So from in there, it will install for a while. So let's just wait for this right here to finish the loading process. So as you can see, it is loaded. So let's just fill up all of this information right here. And once you have filled up all of these things right here, you should be able to add in here the sticky card. So let me just fill this up real quick. So from in there, let's click on submit. And then once you have submit all that, you should be able to see this right here. So you can also use this free plan if you want. And as you can see, they have very limited trial right here. So in here, let's just head over and then just choose a trial that is right for us. So for me, I'll just choose the free plan and this is what it looks like. So what we need to do is we need to activate the slide card. So let's head over and click on this one. And as you can see, it's been enabled. So we can click on this customize cart. And as you can see, this is what the cart looks like. If we want to actually change it, we can click on this buttons right here. And you can also choose the button hover color if you want. And as you can see, this is what it will look like. You can also put in your button text color that you can choose from. For me, I'll just choose basic white since it will be more visible that way. You can also choose a font size, mobile max with functionality settings. So let's actually just choose the one that is appropriate. So you can actually just continue the shopping link and all these things right here. And you can also add in here some integrations. So in here, let's head over and save that. Now from in there, let's head back. And then once we have done all of that, we can head back in here on our slide cart. So we can also edit the features of the slide cart. So click on this edit feature right here. And then you can add in upsell, advanced right here, or you can see in here the sticky cart. So click on the sticky cart right here. Or you can also just scroll down until you can see the sticky cart options. So you should be able to see in here a lot of options for you. So once you have chosen the one that is applicable, you should be able to see that it can be added to yourself. So in here, as you can see, it's been enabled. Now let's head back to my store. Now let's click on customize right here. And then from in there, you can click on this third icon right here, which is the app embed. And in here, we need to make sure that this is enabled. So click on this one, then click on save. Now the next thing you need to do is we need to head over to our product page. Now we have this product page of ours, and this is what it looks like for now. So if you head over and then add to cart all of these things, so for example, let's see a free view of our actual store. So let's head back and click on view your store. And then from in there, we should be able to see this specific product. And on this specific product, as you can see, we have this add to cart right here. And once we have add to cart, we have now this sticky buy button. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment down below. And if you also found this video helpful, simply leave a like below as well or subscribe because it has reached more people. See you soon.